at the tree.
It's all the ice buildup from the lake.
Wow. Honey, if it's my turn there again. Honey, is there people living there?
Yeah, there's people living in the house. I think probably ain't home today. It's just summer houses too.
Gee, look at this. Honey, let's take a video when you turn around. Gee, I never see a house like this. Wow.
Honey, go out the side of your window so I can use this camera.
Wow. Gee, look at that. Wow. I never see a house like this. Honey, we should go there and see. It's dangerous, honey, right?
A little bit.
Wow, look at the color. It's brown.
Those wires are gonna come down soon.
Oh, gee, look at the wires. Wow, this is what happened when you live near the water. See, do you want to live like that? Wow. Wow, people are living still here. Ooh, stop. Wow. Look at the... oh, wow. This is a restaurant. Look at that. This is near the lake. This is what happened when you live near the water. That's ice cold. That's the lake. You see the water. Oh my. It's really cold out there. Drive slow. People are crossing. Oh, gee. Wow. Oh. Honey, take a picture. It's like a... Honey, I think people are peeping. Wow, look at the hamburger. What? Oh, what's this? Is that all ice?
Yeah.
What?
It's the water spraying on everything. You gotta turn around.
Turn around there.
No, I can't. See that stuff.
Gee! Wow!